Abacus AI tutorial and review. Is this the best all-in-one AI tool? Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into Abacus AI, a powerhouse all-in-one AI platform for creators, developers, and businesses. If you're searching for a tool that brings together AI chat, content generation, image and video creation, coding assistance, document analysis, and much more, for only $10 a month, you will want to stick around for this review and tutorial. So what exactly is Abacus AI? Well, this is an innovative platform that integrates over 40 of the most advanced AI models under one roof, from large language models like GPT-4, Cloud 3.7 to Gemini 2 Pro, and specialty models for image and video generation, coding, productivity. Everything is accessible in a seamless and unified interface. Now they have two specific products. They have their chat team LLM as well as their Abacus Enterprise. So chat LLM teams are ideal for individuals and small businesses and their enterprise for advanced enterprise needs and data integration. So starting off, let's talk about value, because compared to other platforms like Core AI, Perplexity AI, and subscribing to single model tools, Abacus gives you over 40 plus integrated AI models with a balance between chatting, images, video creation, all in one click. This has a lower cost in comparison to platforms like ChatGPT, Core AI, or Perplexity, where you would be paying around $20 to $35 for each one of those platforms, whereas this is a tool that is going to give you all of that for only $10 a month, making it by far the most affordable and feature-rich option out there. So to get started, simply click on Get Started over here, and once you do that, you can sign up with Google, Apple, or Microsoft, and we're just going to be signing up using our Google account for a quick and easy sign up on Abacus. And I'm just going to click on Continue over here to proceed with my Google sign up on Abacus AI. Now, the best part about using Abacus is that they have easy model switching, where you can access all features from Chat LLM Team's dashboard, where you can effortlessly switch between LLM models like your DeepSeek, GPT-4, or anything else. So first off, I'm just going to name my organization and then click on save so that I can get started. And then you're going to proceed with your card information. So I'm just going to complete this and I'll get back. So now that we have proceeded onto our Abacus AI dashboard, we can get started with a short tour, but we're just going to skip that and we're going to dive right into Abacus AI. Now from here, I can switch between GPT-4, DeepSeek, or Cloud, or any other model. So I can choose the right expert for the right task, from creative writing to code debugging. And you even have video and image generation, where you can prompt realistic images or even generate high-definition, watermark-free videos. You get major models like Flux 1.1 Pro, Ideogram 2A for images, and Kling, Helio, and Luma for videos at no extra cost. Designs and short videos are created in minutes, making it perfect for designers and creators needing inspiration, speed, and variety. So to do this, starting off, we have our first chat. I'm just going to click on image, and you guys can see the large selection of models I have. Then I can choose the number of images as well as the prompt. So I want a portrait or a movie shot of a woman in medieval clothing standing in a castle, standing in a large old ballroom. I'm just going to fix this over here. Then you can choose if you want to rewrite your scripts to improve the image generation results, the aspect ratio. So I want this to be 16:9, and then the guidance scale. So within this, you're going to choose how closely you want the generated image to match your original prompt. So you're just going to proceed with how accurate you want it to be with your original prompt. I'm just going to go, I don't care if it's a little bit off of my original script, as long as it's a beautiful image. And then you can use the seed to this image. So then just click on generate over here. And just like so, it is creating our image. So it's redoing without image generation. And I'm just going to let it do its work, and once it's done, I'm going to show you guys the final result. So this is the image that it has created. It is a really beautiful image, and it's truly something that is very, artistic. Now if I want, I can proceed and I can edit this further. So if I want to edit, I can ask it to edit the image as well. So make her dress or add people in the background. So if I want to just add people in this particular image, so now it's going to take this original image and it's going to edit these images. So I'm just going to let these images be edited, and I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for our new image to be created, which is going to have obviously the new variation of people in the background. If you want any other changes, you can obviously make those as well. And this tool is not limited to just image or video creation. You have productivity tools with one-click PPTs and word generation. So you can input a topic and you can proceed with that topic. So let's say that I want to build an entire presentation on one topic. What I would do is I would click on generate PowerPoint at the bottom, and then I can just proceed with my PowerPoint. I would just have to enter my basics that I want to include. If you have an outline or if you just have a general idea of what you want, you can proceed. So for that, I'm just going to go into a new chat, click on PowerPoint, and then you have your chat mode, and you're going to describe the PowerPoint. So a PowerPoint on the latest fashion trends in luxury fashion. And just like so, I've just put in a general description. I haven't provided any outlines, and based upon the information I've provided, it's going to proceed. So you have default and custom. I'm going to go with default. And then from here, it's going to ask any questions based upon the style you want. And then after that, it's going to proceed with building. Now, this is really amazing, especially when you are using this for more professional presentations. So you can click on Deep Agent, which is the Abacus Deep Agent, which is going to help you in further building your presentations. Now, whenever you're chatting with Abacus, you have the ability to go with generating code as well as creating a playground and deep research. You even can go with video generation, lip syncing, humanizing your text, as well as document generation. So if I want to build a full-fledged coded application, I can do this with the integrated code, auto-completion, error detection, and even integrate with GitHub for seamless development. So for this, if I want, I can ask it to build an HTML landing page, and then it is going to build our HTML landing page for us, just like so. And in the meanwhile, it is doing my presentation as well. Now, this is all amazing, and not only do you have the ability to build something new, but if you want to analyze your pre-existing documents, you can also do that with Abacus. And you can have your screenshots, web page captures be analyzed and extract all of your text from those pages. So Abacus isn't just for techies, it's for creators, developers, students, and researchers that are looking to simplify their workflows. As someone that is, doing research pretty frequently, using these researching tools can make it really easy for you to find literature gaps and for you to progress academically. So if you're looking to get started and you're looking to maximize your productivity and access a large variety of AI models and spend as less as possible, Abacus AI is the right choice for you. One of the best options out there at the most affordable prices, from multi-model content creation to document analysis and seamless integrations. It's a major step forward for AI and definitely something you should try out. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and review, and make sure to leave a like and comment down below which all-in-one AI tool has been your personal favorite.